Here we are out on the pool deck after we go get breakfast. I think it finishes at 8:30. It's about 8:15 now. We have everything in there out of the rooms. We're gonna head over to the hotel, give them a call so they can come pick us up. We can go over there, see what Miami's got today. All right, heading into the Windjammer now. Alright, we're gonna find a table first and then head up and we're gonna grab some stuff to eat. Got some oatmeal over here. Lots of bread. This is the first time, and I guess the last time, or right now, that we will be in the Windjammer for breakfast. We didn't do breakfast at all this time, so we've got an assortment of milk. I went with chocolate. They have blueberry pancakes, banana pancakes. Oh, French toast, that's what I'll be eating here soon. Some oatmeal over here. Yeah. Got an assortment of fruits, which I will be staying away from. Fresh ham. So this is the hotel, this is the Element. Walking in, here's the bathroom. Huge shower. I'm so excited. It takes like 10 showers on the cruise to make this one shower. I'm so excited. This bathroom is huge. And then coming out, there's a full-size fridge, a stove, microwave, dishwasher. Opening up.
I hope you saw that jump. I hope she jumped so hard the camera shook. I had to.
She's an idiot. But anyway, here's the closets. They're huge.
The camera had to have shook.
And this little table right here. We have a full desk, an entire kitchen. We have a Trisha. We have a TV that swirls around. On the island. Over here, we have a whole sectional that actually pulls out into a couch as well. And the pool looks super nice outside. So we'll check that out too. So I peeked in that guy's room. And he has a full fridge and everything too. So even if that's one of the regular rooms and not the suite, then cool. I'm in the pool. It's absolutely beautiful here as well. If you look out the back over here, we're right out by the bay where a lot of the boats and stuff leave off. So that's pretty. Bye, Amanda. Bye. The two girls are eating pizza for breakfast. Me and Jen. We're going for brekkie. Going to get some brekkie.
It's too early for that.
That's right. I slept so much. We slept so much today.
She slept so much.
We have a homemade pancake station up there. It looks very cool. Here's our breakfast. Got some juice, some bread, some eggs, and then their silverware collection. I think they just keep gathering. Everybody's silverware looks different. And look at that fork compared to them spoons. There's a normal fork. What happened? What is up with this thing? But everything looks really good. Amanda joined us for breakfast. And she did get some of those. Pancake, blueberries. That food looks delicious as well. I went up and got more toast and some more juice. So Jen made the point that it's weird. Their drinks are warm and their food is cold. It's like the opposite of how it should be. But it still tastes pretty good. They have a bunch of fresh fruit up there you can grab as well. Here we are, waiting to board for a flight home. Here's our tickets. That's right, Trisha's ticket. We are waiting. Amanda already went to go board. So now, here we are. Getting ready to get the heck out of here. I'm going to see my babies. This is group 1 going through now. Going to board, yay! Super excited. Ready to go home. It was so much fun.